In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return IKEA items in store, guiding you through every step to make the process smooth and easy. First off, open your web browser and head to the official IKEA website. Once you're there, make sure to select your specific country or region. This ensures you're accessing the right information and services applicable to your location. If you already have an account with IKEA, click on the Login button. For those who haven't registered yet, you'll want to click on Sign Up to create an account. Once logged in, look for the Sign In option on the top right-hand corner. Input your email address when prompted, and click to log in using your password. If you've forgotten your password or have trouble logging in, there are usually options to help you recover your account. Upon successful login, navigate through the website and scroll down until you spot the Return Policy section. Clicking on this will provide you with detailed guidelines on how to return or exchange your purchased items. Now start your return request by selecting Learn More. Here you'll see the options Return Items or Request Return next to the order you'd like to send back. Go ahead and select the products you intend to return. Don't forget to specify the reason for the return, whether it's because the item was damaged, the wrong item was sent, or if you've simply changed your mind. You'll also choose your preferred method of return at this stage. For in-store purchases, you've got the straightforward option of taking the item back to your nearest IKEA outlet. Just ensure you bring along your receipt or order number by entering or scanning it when prompted. There'll be an option called In-Store Exchanges that you'll click on, then proceed to package your item securely, including any manuals, screws, or accessories which should be in the original packaging. For items purchased online or for those opting for a courier service, you might be able to schedule a pickup from your location, depending on your region. Don't forget to download and print the return slip, which is usually a PDF. This return label needs to be attached clearly to your package. If you're opting for a courier pickup, IKEA's partner service will reach out to you for scheduling. Conversely, if you're returning the item in person, head over to the Returns and Exchanges counter with your confirmation email and ID. Once IKEA receives your returned item, they will send you a confirmation email. Typically, refunds are processed within 3 to 10 business days. Remember, how you originally paid affects how you'll receive your refund. Credit or debit card payments will go back directly to the initial source, while cash-on-delivery payments might be refunded as store credit or vouchers. So, there you have it. A comprehensive walkthrough for returning your IKEA purchases. By following these steps, you can make your return process hassle-free and straightforward.